I tried this first to wake up my joints, also could be done with the dumbbells. Started with a bag because of the rope with lightweight in it to understand the movement. Do this with the bag too, moving wrist in figure of 8. Do both arms. Move in figure of 8. Start low and work your way up, and body side to side. Better off using it like that. Please don't hurt yourself or others around you. Lightweight, strong rope. That's how it's done with the bag, weights and rope. You will be working on your wrist, elbow, shoulder joints, muscles, and grip too. Super beneficial routine. Also shifting weight from my leg to the other. Fun ways to work out. Now that's how I did the rope mace. There's other moves too, I am still learning. Hope my videos are helpful. Take care.